Right. So, like I said, the purpose of this class is for it to be more interactive. Okay. So, in just a moment, I'll give you guys access to, unmute yourself also. Fine. But before we get started, I would like you guys to listen to me before coming up with your own questions. Fine. These are essentially my experiences in the past. What I started my journey of SSB preparation back in 2017, right? And it has been 7 years since then, right? And throughout these 7 years, what's happened is the initial couple of years, I've seen the aspirant side of things, right? I've given 10 attempts. Thereafter, finally, once I exhausted my attempts and I got recommended twice. So thereafter, I also started guiding aspirants. Okay. So it's a sum cumulative of all of that. Fine. So I hope you guys make the best use out of it. That is how I intend this to be. Right. Okay. One more request before we get started. It's that whosoever is participating in the session, right? So it would be preferable if you can sit here with the cameras on, right? So that at least I know I'm interacting with human beings, right? Otherwise it becomes very monotonous, है ना? मैं भी कैमरा बंद करके बैठ जाऊं यहाँ पे. So like, you guys won't enjoy it even the slightest bit, right? So please kindly help me out here. Fine, let's make it two-way communication. Fine, because since later on we'll also be taking up doubts. Okay, so those who are comfortable can turn on the cameras. Okay, I need some volunteers, guys. Come on. You guys are going for the SSB. What's the point of being so shy? है ना? मैं इतने शर्मीले तो मैंने नहीं देखे हैं यार बंदे एसएसबी में जाने वाले. Come on, let's go. Yeah, better. I can see the all the smiling faces now. Great, perfect, perfect. Let me see a few more. Let's go, guys. Come on. Because see, if you want the privilege of asking questions, right? So you want to uh fulfill a certain criteria, right? So we have fundamental duties before we get the rights, right? So in a similar manner, it would be preferable if you also comply with what I have to, what request I have with you. Fine. Chaliye. So on that note, I think we have sufficient number of people. Let's get started. And let me ask you the first question of today's session, right? When we talk about the psych, okay, and I'm talking about repeaters and freshers alike, right? So where is an SSB aspirant or a defense aspirant going wrong when it comes to the psych or specifically the TAT, right? The TAT or story writing. The one mistake, the biggest one that each and every person is making out there. This is that one mistake that differentiates someone who will get recommended and someone who won't, right? So I'll give you guys the allow you guys to unmute yourself. Yes, if anyone can highlight.
Observe the picture carefully.
Okay, that is part of it, but not.
Preconceived
Hmm. हाँ जी.
preconceived stories.
Preconceived, so is not
Making imaginary stories.
imaginary stories. No, mm-hmm.
The
Not fit.
weak in action parts.
Weak in action part. Okay, DK has come closer. Okay, but not quite there.
They're
Not
not
quite.
presenting the actions which shows the quality that they are looking for.
Trying to
Uh,
mask and
okay.
glorify ourselves.
हाँ जी, अतुल.
Trying to mask and glorify.
Trying to mask and glorify. Okay. These are the mistakes that people do. Yes. But this is not the biggest mistake. These are not the biggest mistakes when it comes to story writing. Let me tell you this. Fine. Acha, one more thing. Those who wish to unmute themselves, please also turn on the cameras, guys. Come on. Okay. It makes up for a good so we're
So,
recording.
illogical stories.
Yeah.
Too much before writing.
Thinking too much, not completely. Okay. What else?
Writing hyper realistic stories like
Hmm. Okay. Not
Sir, not
completely.
Pre-committed
writing story with personalities related to personalities.
See, guys, I don't think you guys will be able to even come close. मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है. ठीक है, but still I'm going to try.
So
Right.
instead of concise writing, one tries to write the story in more descriptive way.
Hmm. नहीं,
अपनी
that is also
पर्सनालिटी से मैच नहीं करता है.
match नहीं करता है. Interesting, but not that. Yes. Okay, ठीक है. Part of it. We can say part of it. Partially. Yes. ठीक है. What else? What
Sir,
else?
sir, according to me, there are two reasons. One is, sir, not writing a story, just explaining the picture, and one more is, sir, wishful stories,
Okay. Okay.
not practically
Close.
or
Hmm.
long term oriented.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
amount of actions and feelings, thoughts, those kind of
Hanji?
things. Less amount of like adding feelings, thoughts, those kind of things only.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So Manjunathan has
फीलिंग थॉट्स एंड
the answer.
एक्शन.
Hold on. Hold on. Yes. Okay. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये सारे पुराने वाले हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ठीक है, coming into the scenario. Fair enough. Right, guys. Okay. So we have an answer. Okay, so the answer actually lies in the instruction that will be given to you when you go to the SSP, right? So let's quickly take a recap of what instruction the psychologist will pass to you. Fine. So he says that the following pictures, you'll observe a picture for 30 seconds. Thereafter, you'll get 4 minutes for writing the story. Fine. You have to structure the story in the form of what led to the situation, what is happening in the situation, and what is the likely outcome. Listen very closely, right? You have to pick one central character and write down his thoughts, emotions, actions. Fine. Pen down your thoughts freely as they come to your mind without any regard to beauty of expression. Right? The story should have a practical problem and a practical solution, and there is no limitation to imagination. You understand? These are the exact instructions that the psychologist is going to give you. Fine. So from here we draw quite a lot of things, right? Can anyone repeat except our past students? ठीक है, पुराने स्टूडेंट्स के अलावा और कोई बताना, पुराने और करंट स्टूडेंट्स के अलावा. ठीक है, anyone? Summarize it for me quickly, what all I said. Let me see if you guys have been paying attention or not.
Sir, may I?
Anurag, you have some network connection, brother. Issue with the network connection. Anyone else? Yeah.
Let
Observe
us situation.
Practical
Soumya, I've
solution.
seen you somewhere. Soumya Agarwal, I've seen somewhere.
Yes, sir. I was in the a PPDT batch, screen admission screening
Acha.
last time.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Batao. Are you
So,
summarizing?
yeah, led to this situation, what is happening, and what will the final outcome. And all this
Okay.
is will be on the basis of like there is no limit to your imagination. You can add your feelings, emotion, thoughts behind the actions and the situation that is happening, and there is will be a practical aspect to that also.
Okay. Fair enough. Right. So, anyone else would like to summarize this? Anyone who has their camera on, fine, because this might also go on to YouTube, ठीक है, if required. So, मतलब देखने में अच्छा लगता है यार, एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग लगता है थोड़ा सा, है ना, कोई इंसान रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है तो, है ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ अ नेम प्लेट, राइट? Anyone who has their camera on, please summarize.
So a picture will be shown for 30 seconds. Then we have to write what led to the situation, what is happening, and what will be the likely outcome. And we have to mark the central character. We have to pen down the emotions, thoughts, and actions carried out with them. And yes, sir, and the story around that.
Perfect. That is all that we need, right? So if you pay close attention to all of this, you will understand what exactly people are missing out on, है ना? So let's say if I show you a picture where we see two people are talking, fine. Now everyone jumps into the action right away, right? Without establishing any premise for that matter. Guys, please mute yourself if you're not speaking. Pramod, Simran, ठीक है, right? So without any regard to the build up, see, एक और सिंपल एग्जांपल समझते हैं, ठीक है? एक और सिंपल एग्जांपल से हम जरा जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. Whenever you go to watch a movie, right? So before the climax of the plot is executed, you see that you start associating with the character, right? The hero, है ना? हीरो हमारी तरह मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड से है, ठीक है? एंड ही ऑल्सो एंजॉय स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हिज फ्रेंड्स. उसको मस्ती करना पसंद है, उसको काम पे जाना पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है? दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट हेल्प अस कनेक्ट इनिशियली विद द कैरेक्टर, ठीक है, हीरो. एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हाट विल हैपन इज, किसी विलन ने आके किडनैप कर लिया उसकी मम्मी को और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को, ठीक है, और ले जाके लाइक यू नो दे टेक हिम टू काली पहाड़ी, काली माता के मंदिर के पीछे जाके छुपा दिया, ठीक है? यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो ओनली इफ यू connect with the character, only then will you like this climax. You understand? जबकि बाकी सारे बंदे क्या कर रहे हैं, दे जंप डायरेक्टली ऑन टू द क्लाइमैक्स, दे डू नॉट बिल्ड द स्टोरी एट ऑल, ठीक है? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट बिल्ड्स द स्टोरी, ठीक है? एनीवन, व्हाट हेल्प्स अस बिल्ड द स्टोरी? Answer again lies in the instructions.
The designation of a hero.
हाँ जी,
Hero's designation.
your network is like you know, we're facing network issues from your side. Anyone else
So
would like to
what led to the situation?
what led to the situation? ठीक है, उसके अलावा
I think he's trying to say that we should imagine ourselves in the place of the hero.
that is true, but how do you display someone else that you have imagined yourself in the place of the hero? Designation of a hero, नहीं.
Sir,
So I
thoughts and
think
emotions.
giving good character to
हाँ जी,
Sir, emotions and
giving good
thoughts.
and qualities to the hero.
someone said emotions and thoughts, है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
background plays an important role in perceiving the character and the pictures.
It does, yes. But what helps us connect? See, जब भी आप किसी से मिलते हो, ठीक है, so whenever you talk about like you know what's going on in their life, so they always express, yeah, this is how I feel, right? I'm feeling excited. Why? Because throughout the day I'm going to play a tournament, let's say, for example, or I am going to play whatever sport I like, fine. So just for example, right? Imagination, thoughts and ideas. Okay, right? So emotions help us establish a lot of connect. Okay. And let me tell you this one more thing, which is that, let's say, if I were to give you an example, ki, for example, Abhi is works in a corporate MNC. Okay. Now, daily he walks from his office to home and home to office. Fine. One evening, he decided to take a new route where he saw there was slum area, and the children appeared to be malnourished. Upon seeing this, Abhi felt deeply concerned. Okay. Now, my question to all of you is, what will happen next? What is Abhi going to do now? In one word. Don't go into.
So he gave solution for that malnutrition children.
Improvement in children's condition.
Okay. Yeah. Simple one action.
Sir, help.
Help him, sir.
Help me. What he will? Very simple action. Help तो करेगा, बस किस तरीके से? नहीं, what is the solution of malnutrition?
Providing them basic nutrient items.
Nutritious food, feed them nutritious
awareness.
Feed them nutritious food, provide food. Exactly. And very simplistically. Okay. So my question to all of you is, did I tell you the action? No. Right? I just gave you the premise. Correct? Similarly, we have to understand that all the actions, they are driven by some emotion, some desire, some goal, some motivation. We are all motivated by our desires. Right? It might be a desire to help someone. Okay. It might be empathy. Right? So, through this, what do we understand? We understand that our emotions will set the goal of the story. And without emotions, there is no goal of the story. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Right? So, I hope you guys have understood. This is one thing that majority of the people, they miss out on. They are not able to give up now. I know a lot of people would be going on the exception. ठीक है, सबके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा, सर एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो मैं क्या वहां पे खड़ा होकर थॉट एंड इमोशन दिखाऊंगा? राइट? आई नो लॉट ऑफ रिपीटर्स माइट बी थिंकिंग दिस, है ना? कितने, प्लीज रेज हैंड, हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस वर थिंकिंग अबाउट द सेम क्वेश्चन? Nobody. So it hasn't sunk in yet, probably. See, I'll tell you. Right. Exceptions are always there, है ना? There are some pictures which will require you to directly jump into action. And these are typically pictures where there is some problem which is given to you already in the picture, right? For example, fire, right? Accident, drowning. So here you cannot, or I mean, if you want to, you can utilize, right? But it would not be relevant to the picture. जैसे मतलब एक example देता हूँ मैं आपको. एक example देता हूँ मैं आपको. ठीक है? जैसे, for example, we have a drowning scene. Fine. One boy is drowning. And on the boat, there are 4 people. Okay, who are close by. Now, if someone writes that, let's say, Abhi was a person who loved adventurous activities, right? He was an employee in Tata Consultancy Services. And during the weekends, he would call his colleagues in order to go out for such activities, right? This time, this weekend, they were visiting the Sukna Lake and they decided to go for boating. Okay, right? So I hope you understand. I have expressed Abhi's love for adventurous activities. Correct? So that gives a purpose that, okay, this is why he is going out. Fine. But if I say Abhi loved to help drowning people, that won't make sense, right? I hope you guys understand, right? You're able to differentiate, है ना? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So while setting up the background, okay, I can give a few thought and emotions, maybe, or emotions of this guy, okay. But I hope you understand. Right after this happens, then I have to come to the action part, right? That upon hearing the cries of help, Abhi looked in the direction from where the cries were coming, and he saw a boy drowning. Wasting no time, he quickly untied the flotation tube and threw it with all his strength towards the boy, right? Meanwhile, he directed his friends to row towards the boy, and he dove into the water and swam towards the boy. Fine. The boy was already on the flotation tube, and upon reaching, Abhi asked him to calm down and relax. As soon as the boat, his friends got near Abhi, so he helped them. He helped the boy get up on the boat, brought him to the shore, and gave him some chest compressions in order to get the water out. Meanwhile, one of the friends of Abhi called the ambulance, as well as the boy's relatives, by asking numbers. Okay. Both arrived at the same time, and they handed over the responsibility and resumed boating. You understand? Fine. So this is how the entire story is supposed to be summarized. Okay. I hope you guys understand. This is the only exception. Fine. Wherever you have direct action pictures, there you cannot have too much of emotions coming up. Now, there is a difference between having emotions and being emotional. Okay? Right? If you are about to bring out a policy, let's say, for example, okay, you are working in an office, you are about to get biometrics because everyone gets late. You are about to bring in the biometrics, okay, fingerprint wala thing, right? Now, taking everyone's emotion into consideration, right, and having an emotion around that, okay, for a initial couple of days, we might allow 5 to 10 minutes delay because people are not used to it. But thereafter, we will not permit. You understand? This is taking emotion into account. Being emotional is fingerprint machine lag gaya. Right? So, I know bad acting, but you get the point, right? Okay, so there is a bit difference between giving cognizance or recognizing emotions and being emotional. Okay. Emotions are also driven by desires, right? Or rather, I would say emotions are also expressed in the form of desires. Okay. Is anyone aware of Maslow's hierarchy of needs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो अच्छा, पुराने स्टूडेंट्स के अलावा, है ना? ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट। ठीक है, तो यार मेरे को एक बात बताओ, if we're talking about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, fine. So in that, we have just discussed this particular example where the central character was feeding the boys, right? The malnourished children. Okay. So what is he satisfying? What need is he satisfying? Anji. The most basic need, which is of food, right? Just hold on. Please, Mr. Avinash, mute yourself, bro.
सबको निश्चित अंतरिक्ष तुम्हारे ग्रुप इफेक्ट वाला उसमें
Right. Hold on. Let me just change the settings. Okay. Just a moment, guys. This is what happens. You should be aware when you're joining, right? You should not be sleepwalking while you attend a workshop, correct? Just hold on a second. Okay, fine. So this is what we have understood so far, right? Which is when we talk about the, if you ever want to understand what this thing is, right? So देखो हमारी needs होती हैं कुछ which are right, they start from physiological needs such as food, water, shelter. The next level would be social needs, right? Social needs involves things such as love,
Friendship.
care, friendship. Yes, exactly. है ना? Having a family, right? So these are social needs. Okay. Then there are some esteem based needs, fine, such as being respected in the career, wherever the person is, right? Having a sense of achievement, fame, name, yes. Okay. And then finally we come to top of the line is self fulfillment, right? Self fulfillment is more about living up to one's own potential, realizing the entirety of the potential. Self satisfaction is नहीं त्याग नहीं होता है, that is not त्याग, ठीक है? Self actualization है ना, being the best version of oneself in all requisite fields, right? I hope you guys understand that this is what will drive your emotions, ठीक है? Or your, this is what will guide your actions, है ना? Maybe because I want to live up to my full potential. I want to make my parents proud. That is why I'm studying, right? That is why I put in so much of effort. But behind each and every action, there will be some emotion, right? Which is driven by a desire. And desire you can find through these needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. You understand? Okay, so these are very secret. This took me quite a while to understand, है ना? So I'm sharing with you guys. You also share it with who you think might need it. Fine. Even better, try to implement it. Fine. Chaliye. So on that note, let's open the entire this thing to doubts. है ना? Let's take up a few doubts. Practice, bro. Practice. You have to think. Before you write down the action, think what emotion is probably driving this action. Because before writing down the action, the moment you see the picture, you know what action you're going to write. है ना? Take a moment, think about what will be the driving emotion here. Fine. If I'm going out to play, maybe the driving emotion is I want to keep myself fit. Right. Maybe the driving emotion is I want to be the best out there. That is why I'm going to play. Fine. Or maybe I want to provide for my family by getting selected in a team. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to satisfy here. Right. I hope you understand. That opens up to subjectivity. Actions are everyone might be writing the moral as the same action. but the emotion will be different each and every time. You understand? Because we are all different, driven by different emotion. There's something else, like, we all have different reasons behind our
So,
action. Yes.
in the previous story where you said ki this guy he was a fitness enthusiast. No, he was working in some MNC and he likes to take his colleagues out because he was a fitness enthusiast, or he loves outdoor
He loved
activity.
adventurous
Out,
activities.
yeah, adventurous. So that is what his emotion. Or there we can define. मतलब हमने define कर दिया कि that what derives him in the morning और ऐसा
Yes.
वो उसका emotion है. वैसे हमें एक लाइन में बस हमने बता दिया कि ये यहाँ से आ रहा है.
हाँ, बता दे.
ऐसे ही आप बता रहे हो कि हमें इंक्लूड करना चाहिए.
कर सकते हैं. Yes. Indeed.
So,
Hmm.
so when we
Yes.
write this line that we are fitness enthusiasts, so when we write this line, we are expressing our own self.
Yes. Don't you
It
think
is
so?
being considered as that this person is fitness enthusiast.
Yes, indeed. Or he is at least fascinated by, or he likes to keep
So
himself
the
fit,
assessor
at
will
least.
perceive. The
Huh.
assessor will perceive that this person is this.
It has to be backed up also, है ना? It should not be random, provided that the whosoever is writing it is writing mindfully, right? ठीक है, so that's the only condition, right? अब मैं उसमें बोलूँ कि I feel powerful, I feel like the Prime Minister of India, so that is not realistic, right? ठीक है, but experiencing various emotions, that is realistic, है ना? So let's say if I say I get energized by going to the gym, right? Or he used to feel refreshed whenever he would undertake adventurous activities, right? So that helps me express that, okay, I'm not directly saying I'm an adventure enthusiast, but that is what I'm implying, right? If I feel refreshed, so I will very often seek refreshment, maybe. Correct? You get the point, right?
Yes.
Chaliye. Okay. Any more doubts, guys? Let's take up some doubts. We have around 90 people. Nobody has any doubts. That's very odd. First time something like this has happened. Yes. Anyone? Any doubts? Repeaters, come on. अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ पे does anyone have 20 plus attempts? Anyone with 20 plus attempts? Please raise hand. Yeah, we have on every 1st and 15th we have new batches starting. Fine. So tell me, can you explain the difference between perception and apperception? It's a very simple one, bro. Okay, we'll talk about it. Okay, we'll talk about it. Fine. Sir, is it so that we need to complete all SRTs, WATs and psych? Yes. That only then, see, there is no, in clinical psychology, there is no timer over these tests. You understand? Or if there is a timer, it's relatively relaxed. You'll get 5 minutes to write TAT. Okay, 30 seconds for WAT, each WAT, है ना? But the timer is being introduced in the armed forces to create an additional pressure and bring out your first response. Okay, so if you only finish half of all the tests, then that means you took twice the time for each and every response, and that means it's not your first response. You understand? That is how it's interpreted, right? Pictures and stories and okay, I'll talk about this. I'll talk about this. Same question. It's actually difference between, if you understand the difference between perception and apperception, you'll understand the difference between TAT and PPDT, right? expected of us, how to write crisp answer in SRT, whether we need to add action. ठीक है, चलिए, okay, fine. I'll start answering the question. ठीक है. The first one being perception and apperception, right? So I'd like to highlight that with an example. ठीक है. See, perception is actually, it is a mental process in which you make sense out of stimulus provided to you. And in this case, it is a visual stimulus. Fine. So let's say if I see a circular or spherical object and I say, recognize this, I'll have to access my memory also in this. Okay? First process is identification. I identify this as a ball. Okay? No. You understand? I identify the object as a ball, let's say, for example, right? That is the function of, that is perception, essentially. Once I've identified this is a ball, it's okay. Okay? Thereafter, I will start describing. Okay? So let's say, for example, let's take the example of this cylindrical object, right? If I ask you, what is this? Guys, please, unnecessarily don't turn on the mic. It's very irritating. I might have to kick you out of the meeting. Fine. Chale. So if I ask you, this is what is the cylindrical object, right? What will you say?
It's a pen. It's a pen.
Essentially, right? So during these moments, what did you do? You access your mind. It actually accessed the stimulus first, which it's receiving through the eyes. Fine. Thereafter, it went back into the memory that you have of using, like, associating with such objects. Okay. And one of them clicked, right? And you identify this as a pen, right? Now, you will also be aware of its functions, right? Now, if I ask you to describe this object to me, you say, yeah, so this is a pen. It is 10 centimeter in length. It writes blue, right? And it is used to complete projects, write essays, etc., etc., etc. Right? And it is on the outside, it is of blue and white color. Okay. Now, this is your description of what you see in front of you, right? You've identified it. You have identified the physical features, physical aspects. You've identified the function. These three things. These are part of perception. Okay. This is what perception is all about. Fine. Now, let's take one step further and understand what apperception is. Correct. So, apperception is all of perception plus. If I say, so this pen was used to write the Constitution of India. Okay. The moment I attach some significance or some backstory behind it, right, it becomes apperception. Fine. Or let's say, for example, this pen is used to evaluate the future of India. I've given some significance to it, right? So not just the perception, but the significance of the perception in the writer's life, so to speak, is called apperception. You understand? Now, from this, we understand a couple of more things, right? So what do we understand from this? That when we talk about, there are three parts, okay? Thought, emotion, action, है ना? PPDT में बिना thought and emotion के लिखोगे आप, action लिख दोगे, चल जाएगा एक बार को, ठीक है? वैसे डिवॉइड नहीं होना चाहिए, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, है ना? इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम साइकोलॉजिस्ट टू साइकोलॉजिस्ट. दिस इज अ ग्रे एरिया. There is no absolute agreement over this. Fine. In the psychologist community. Fine. But if you think you can get away without significant thought and emotion in the TAT, my friend, that is not possible. Okay? Because as I told you, thoughts and emotions are precursor to actions. Fine. So if you're not able to whenever there is shortage of actions, the thoughts and emotions express the intention of whosoever is writing the story. Right? तो या तो आप एक्शन एक्शन ओवरलोड कर दो, है ना, ले मसाला डोसा, खाओ 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 सारे, है ना, या तो वो कर दो, ओवरलोड कर दो, ठीक है। पढ़ने में भाई मजा नहीं आता है, 5 लाइन 6 लाइन एक्शंस पढ़ने में किसको मजा आता है? किसी को नहीं आता। आप खुद पढ़ के देखना, खुद नहीं आएगा। राइट, बट वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स यार, वी कनेक्ट विद इमोशन, वी ऑलवेज, दैट इज व्हाई इंडियन आइडल में हर बार साला वही सैड स्टोरी वाला ही, ठीक है। पैदा होने से पहले माँ चल बसी, है ना, बचपन में बाप गुजर गया, तब से मैं लंगड़ा हूँ, ठीक है, पिछले साल मेरा गला कट गया तब से मैं गाना गाना चालू किया, ठीक है। ऐसे बंदे सिलेक्ट हो रहे हैं। राइट, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई? बिकॉज इमोशन सेल्स, it helps connect, right? So I hope you guys understand this part, right? You cannot get away without significant thought and emotion, or because this establishes desire। क्या होता है? why goal setting जो पिक्चर की स्टोरी कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है? वो थॉट एंड इमोशन कर रहा है, राइट? हमारे डिजायर्स कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। इट हेल्प्स अस एक्सप्रेस आवर डिजायर्स, emotions, right? And desire is something that everyone can connect with, simply put। Fine, so I hope you guys understand। अच्छा, PPDT में क्या होता है? They're just looking for what is the purpose of PPDT? It is a load management tool। Fine, they have limited number of seats, I have 30 seats, I want to filter out any more than 30, everyone who comes to me, fine, and I already have 30 people, okay, so I'll kick them out simply। Fine, so they just find reasons to reject you, right? So through PPDT, what they're trying to filter is non-serious candidates। Fine, so if there is someone who is sensible, who deserves further evaluation, would be screened in। That is why sometimes what happens is, acha, central part है perception, name is perception, ठीक है। So if there were four characters in the picture, ठीक है, recently this happened with one of my students। तो गया था अभी SSB, ठीक है, तो उसने क्या बोला, सर मैं 30 सेकंड ना पूरे ऑब्जर्व करा मैंने पिक्चर को, ठीक है, 2 कैरेक्टर तो स्टार्टिंग के 5 सेकंड में दिख गए, ठीक है, रेस्ट 2 वर वेरी ब्लर्ड। फाइन, और वो बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व करने में आए समझ में, ठीक है। और मेरे अलावा सर 3 लोगों ने और बस 4 कैरेक्टर्स देखे, बाकी सबने 2 ही 2 देखे, ठीक है। तो वो झटके वाले की ये जुम देखा नीचे, फिर वापस लिखना चालू स्टोरी, है ना, 1 सेकंड में देख के नीचे कर लिया, है ना, कि स्टोरी राइटिंग के लिए ज्यादा टाइम मिल जाए अपने को, राइट। तो दैट इज यार, हर टेस्ट का ना द एंटायर टेस्ट, the subsections exist for a reason। 30 seconds they're giving you, they're not fools, right? 30 seconds they want you to observe entirely, correct, not miss out on anything, any of the smaller details। Fine, now so this happened, right? So all those people who had actually observed 4 characters, only those are the ones who got screened in। फाइन, एंड इसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन क्या है, आप एक बात समझना। फौजी बंदा अगर फ्रंट पे पोस्ट कर दिया, ठीक है, एंड इफ इज नॉट एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फ्रेंड एंड फो, ठीक है, ही विल एंड अप डूइंग फ्रेंडली फायर। तो पर से अपने किसी और को मारने के लिए खड़ा करा था, ठीक है, बंदे अपने शहीद कर दिए, राइट, खामखा। सो दिस इज समथिंग, दिस इज अ सिचुएशन विच not at all, like, which is not intolerable। Fine, now that is why eyesight वाला भी क्राइटेरिया होता है, ठीक है। भाई दिख नहीं रहा था, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच में ना धुंधला धुंधला दिख रहा था, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच में समझ में नहीं आया, झंडे के बीच में, है ना, गोली मार दी इंडिया वाले को, राइट। यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट, राइट, कि परसेप्शन का कितना इंपॉर्टेंस है। फाइन, majority of the people are not able to grasp that. Okay, so I hope that answers the question. Fine. So does OIR plays an important role? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. OIR 1 या 2 ही स्कोर करना, उसके नीचे जाओ गए तो फिर it's it becomes very risky. क्योंकि क्या है, the criteria for you to ideally get screened in is OIR 1 if you have OIR 1 and if you have doubtful from even one of 3 assessors, then you'll get screened in. ठीक है. Exceptions are there. If it's a big entry, direct entry, 350 plus, then they might change the criteria to OIR 1 plus doubtful from all 3 assessors. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा स्टेप डाउन करते हैं, OIR 1 2 doubtful 1 no, right? फिर नीचे आते हैं OIR 1 single doubtful 2 no's. You understand? OIR 1 पे ही अगर खासकर डायरेक्ट एंट्री आ रही है ना, तो OIR 1 पे ही सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे. अंडरस्टैंड. छोटी एंट्रीज में फिर भी होता है कि जहां पे रिपोर्टिंग नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स कम है, वहां पे फिर भी OIR 2 तक आ जाते हैं, चलो एक बार को. फाइन, अदरवाइज नहीं आने हैं. ठीक है. डिफरेंस. हाउ टू राइट क्रिस्प आंसर इन SRT, वेदर वी नीड टू ऐड एक्शन मोर देयर. यार थोड़ा सा क्रिस्प नहीं, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव होना चाहिए एक्चुअली आंसर. दैट इज व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर, है ना. वरना वन वर्ड आंसर भी लिखते हैं बंदे. ठीक है. कोच देखो, इफ यू वांट टू बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कोच कैंडिडेट्स, राइट स्लाइटली नेचुरल रिस्पॉन्स, राइट, 1 or 2 लाइंस वाला. ठीक है. तो दैट इज दैट, राइट. इट शुड बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. देखो क्योंकि क्या होती है ना, प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफिकेशन बड़ा जरूरी है पिक्चर में, SRT में. फाइन. नाउ देयर आर प्रॉब्लम की ना कैटेगरीज होती हैं. ठीक है. एक तो कई बार होती है इमीडिएट प्रॉब्लम होगी, अर्जेंट भी होगी, इंपॉर्टेंट भी होगी. फाइन. अर्जेंट मतलब इट रिक्वायर्स अटेंशन नाउ, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. इंपॉर्टेंट भी है. ठीक है, दैट इट डज रिक्वायर अटेंशन. फाइन. दूसरी टाइप की प्रॉब्लम कैसी हो जाती है, आपकी अर्जेंट नहीं है लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. समझ लो कि जैसे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है, डेट आ रही है, फाइन, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कराना है, लास्ट डेट आ रही है. ठीक है. अर्जेंट नहीं है पर इंपॉर्टेंट है, टाइम से पहले कराना. यू अंडरस्टैंड. फाइन. तीसरी प्रॉब्लम हो गई, अर्जेंट भी नहीं है, इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है. फाइन. जैसे आपका, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल you are in the corporate. ठीक है. You are planning a vacation maybe 1 year into the future. You understand. Fine. So identification is very critical. क्या करते हैं ना, दो प्रॉब्लम्स में एक ही SRT में कई बार दो प्रॉब्लम्स दे देते हैं. I'll give you an example. ठीक है. So he was going with his sister. They were running to board the last bus to their village when his sister slipped and fell on a peel of banana and hurt herself badly. So can you identify the problems here? So he identify the problem. There are 2 problems, 3 even. There are 3 problems here. Can you identify? Meanwhile, I'll look at the doubts. Think about it. Varun, you might have to practice, bro. How to write complete story in given time. Like whenever I write, I go into too much details of action. Too much. You're saying too much. You have to cut it down. ठीक है, simple. आपकी प्रॉब्लम में ही आपका सोल्यूशन है. ठीक है. You're saying too much details of action. So don't overdo things. Fine. That is where you're facing problem. In TAT, positive and negative pick have purpose. And what about neutral pick? How to make story on that? Through your experiences, bro. Right? DK says, कैसे हम न्यूट्रल पिक्चर्स में कैसे बनाए यार, एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे बनाओगे. राइट. So we all have that is why we need to self introspect पहले. देखो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना, आपकी लाइफ में मेजर चीजें जो भी रही हैं लाइफ को आपके इन्फ्लुएंस करा है, आपकी
Sir,
लाइफ
sir,
को
sir,
शेप करा है. हाँ.
sir, tell in English, sir. I don't know Hindi.
अच्छा, okay. So when whatever has shaped your whatever activities, whatever incidents, whatever life events have shaped your life, shaped your childhood, shaped your perspectives today. Let's say, for example, if you've played some sport, fine, or you've done NCC, so it has significantly shaped your life. And depending on the number of years you've dedicated to this and the intensity of your dedication, the more strong those opinions are. Fine. These are typically, let's say, for example, if you have played some sport and you are very passionate about it, right? So personally, like I played basketball, right? Very religiously, right? I wanted to be a professional basketball player at a point in life, right? And I played it for 16, 17 years now, right? And recently I left it because I didn't see any competitive scope in that. So I hope you understand it has shaped my perspective throughout life. Fine. Maybe teamwork. I want to write about teamwork. Fine. So what will be the first thought that if I see two people having a discussion, let's say, for example, है ना, what will be the first thing that will come to my mind? Oh, maybe they're discussing about, they might have a tournament coming up. They're discussing about that, for example. You understand?
Yes, sir. Sir.
So take inspiration from your life, my friend. Yeah,
Okay, okay, sir.
fill up your PIQ, take inspiration from your life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't think you guys will be able to identify the 3 problems, है ना? चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's move on, है ना? Let's give you guys some time, and then we'll see. How do we start the story? Like the first line, do we introduce the main character or like explain the situation? Uh, it always depends on the storyteller. Always. Fine. So it just depends how I want to portray it. Okay, both are okay. I would recommend that you go with I take a variation. Okay, I would take a variation. Sometime I introduce the main character, sometime I explain the start with the situation. Fine. But actually both have to be done if I want to write a comprehensive what led to the situation. Fine. Sir, you mentioned emotions wasting no time. Acha. He felt concerned about malnourished. Okay. Same emotions most of us also feel, but that is the beauty. That is the beauty, my friend. You have to practice it. Right, Anurag, yes, sir. I have to stop for a moment and think. We avoid doing this so as to avoid creating a problem and then solving it by myself. Okay. Monotonous हो जाता है भैया. As a fresher, how to get ideas for writing story? I just told you, honey, right? So I just told DK. Fine. So take inspiration from your life. Creating a problem and then solving it. Does that work in TAT? Or it's not good for both PPDT and TAT? See, problems are always there. Fine. It doesn't really matter. And as an officer, so as a young officer, you would require to be more of operational nature. Right? You won't be required to be of visionary nature. Correct? Maintenance, administration, that is part of the work profile of someone who is a senior officer. Okay? A young officer is required to be more boots on the ground kind of a person. Fine. So there are plethora of problems which plague our daily life. Provided you select a problem which is practical and it is actually solvable through action. Fine. Like, for example, if you take the problem of he lost his wallet and then he started looking for it. Now, this is stupidity. This is not problem. Whoa, this is not a problem. This is stupidity. Fine. But let's say, for example, being the civil engineer, so he had observed over the years that whenever it would rain, there would be flooding in the city, which would be urban flooding. fine, which is something that we call urban flooding, or maybe having a traffic issue, traffic problem. You understand? Now, these are problems. These are the kind of problems that we observe in day-to-day life. Right? Address them. Fair enough. So you should be able to relate with the picture first. Find some problems you would encounter if you were, because I imagine myself in the picture, right? And in my life, provided I introspect properly, I will be able to find some challenging problems. The quality of problem selected by the candidate will show his caliber, his or her caliber. You understand? And should be solvable through action in a short period of time, not in a very long period of time, right? You take 6 months, 7 months, 10 months, 15 months, 20 months, nothing like that, right? Should be solvable in the short period, in a shorter period. Okay. SRT, are SRTs for women candidate different from sample SRTs available in all SSB? I haven't gone through all SSB related books. Let me say that, right? But we do have female specific SRT, and there is a hit rate of around 80%. Okay, you're going to see those SRTs only in your SSB, and this is not something that I say. This is what my students say after going to the SSB, right? Kelega chilka hatana. Yes, will be the first priority. Yes, perfect. Shweta says removing the banana peel, first priority, right? So that no more casualties occur. Fine. Second priority will be taking my sister to hospital. Fine. Third priority will be, or third problem is catching the bus later. But will it be possible the same day if my serious sister is, it says sister is seriously injured, right? So I need to think, does the SRT tell me to get there the same day? Is it telling me that I am needed, I am required there the same day? It does not, right? So I can maybe catch the next bus next day, or maybe after 2 days, or maybe 3 days later. Fine, whenever my sister recovers, right? So the third problem is important, but it's not urgent. Right? You understand? Second problem, which is giving attention to my sister's health, it is also both important as well as urgent. And the same thing goes for removing the banana peel. Right? It's urgent as well as important. Okay? Can I please repeat this? Bro, done. You have to pay attention while you're sitting here. Right? How difficult is for repeaters? It's not at all difficult, bro. My friend, let me tell you, more than 60% of those who make it into the academy are repeaters only. Fine. So it's not at all difficult. You just need to get your things sorted, aligned very well. Fine. Transportation and lack of proper lighting facilities, medical aid. Okay. Catch the bus giving first aid to this is unique. How will you catch the bus giving the first aid to girl? Reach village. To girl nahi hai, sister hai bhai. And here you fell for it, Preet. Again, no. See, if it was my life, you remember Chatwood motto. Okay. First and foremost come the people of the nation that I serve, their comfort, right? Then comes my team and my team's comfort, right? And their well-being. And if at all anything is left thereafter, I will tend to myself and my needs. You understand? So there is always priority, right? So if, let's say, for example, I get injured, I'll take a chill pill, I'll relax, I'll resume, I'll get back to it. Fine. But if it's about someone else's life, I will not take a risk. Okay. What if she requires some urgent medical equipment, that won't be available on the bus, right? So later on, if she dies, that would be on me. Okay, not a risk worth taking. You understand? Remove the peel, give first aid, get ready to pick bus. My God, bus. Remove the peel, clear floor. My God. Okay. ठीक है, remove the peel is good, है ना? But get ready to. Why are you picking the bus, bro? Strongman, too much. So narration, is it okay to narrate the same sentence be written in the paper? Yes. Creating a problem and then solving. Does that work good? पूछ तो लिया भाई, आंसर भी कर दिया मैंने. Sometimes brain gets blank while waiting and time is limited. सर आइडियाज नहीं आते कुछ पिक्चर देख के. होता है, आई नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड. It's about seeking inspiration from your life, right? Relatability. I always think like this, ठीक है, कि let's say if I'm not able to relate with the picture, right? So I say, let's say I see some person in the mountains, है ना? I have a question, what they're doing there, है ना? I'm not able to get any idea. So I start thinking, by I Shashank, am a couch dweller, right? I live on the couch. I'm a couch potato. Fine. What will force me, or how did I end up in the mountains? From my couch, how did I end up in the mountains? Right? What motivated me? Fine. So maybe my friends. Okay. Connectivity is the first part and the most important part. Fine. Sir, how would you do? Okay. Sir, would you know if things you have written in all the site tests is even good, or like in any case, you go blank in any of the tests, you write anything that comes into mind, how do you tackle that? No, yaar, I always see, yaar, if I go blank, then obviously I don't write anything, right? I take my time. Okay, even if I write only half a story, that is okay, right? I'll take my time. I'll think before I write anything, है ना? And let me tell you, this is not the case for 99% of the people. Why? Because they get panic struck. अब क्या करूंगा, हाय तौबा, हाय अब क्या करूंगा, है ना? अब तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट जज कर लेगा मेरे को. ठीक है, ऐसा क्या लिख दूं कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंप्रेस हो जाए, right? These are the kind of things that are going on in people's mind at that moment. Fine. अगली स्टोरी क्या लिखूंगा, अरे ये नहीं सोच रहा यार, ये वाली स्टोरी का क्या करना है, हाउ डू आई स्ट्रक्चर दिस. फाइन. और यार ऐसा नहीं होता है कि पिक्चर इज ऑलवेज रिफ्लेक्टिव ऑफ सम ऑफ द इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. इफ यू लुक एट इट, यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड. ठीक है. डू यू Sir, do you have TAT pictures for practice which are closely similar to those asked inside as you told about SRT? Yes, we do also. We do have that too. Sir, yes, sir. Vividly remember comfort of people comes first. Yes, perfect. Then comes me. Yes, exactly. Great, Shweta. है ना? What is the difference between challenges and objective? Challenge is something that needs to be solved, right? Objective is the goal. Fine. They are actually interlinked. Fine. Objective is according to the challenge. Okay. Objective is according to the challenge. Fine. SRT must be descriptive. I use more time as that. I'm not saying it must be descriptive, but it should be comprehensive. It should cover all aspects. Fine, that is a high quality. So like we discussed in that particular picture or SRT, we have 3 problems, right, which need to be addressed. If you address all 3 problems, you have a comprehensive solution at your hands. Fine. Is there any restriction that we cannot write our own journey of clearing written exam? It lacks creativity, my friend. It is too realistic. You understand? There has to be an element of innovation also. राइट। देखो यार, किसी को ना बोरिंग बोरिंग स्टोरी नहीं पसंद आती। Fine. Even if you look at the authors who write or the people who write the stories for Bollywood movies, fine. So they take inspiration from real life, but they add on masala tadka. Fine. So that is what you need to do. Take inspiration and also modify. Okay. There any restriction that we can हो गया? Sir, I have a doubt. Like I've written 8 to 9 stories. Good, full of thoughts and emotions. And next few stories are okay. Will it affect my overall performance? That is, see, not really. I won't say that because that is why they make you write 12 stories. Otherwise, they would have made you write just one story and be done with it, right? Again, majority of the stories are looked at. Patterns are what they search for, the assessors. You understand this? Fine. Slightly, my marks might decrease slightly. But if you have made the impressions overall, okay, then it will hardly matter because the psychologist will pass you. Okay, so how to go on with one theme after seeing pictures? Many times more than one theme. लिख भाई तू सारी लिख यार. Whatever comes to your mind, लिख. Write multiple themes every time. Trust me, this is an exercise. If my students start getting multiple ideas, 2 to 3, I ask them to write all 3. Fine. Eventually you'll start making a call for yourself कि यार ये वाला आइडिया सही आ रहा है ऐसे. फर्स्ट आइडिया मेरे को सही आता है, सेकंड आइडिया मेरे को सही आता है, थर्ड आइडिया सही आता है, कौन सा वाला सही आता है यूजुअली. You understand? In that, I'm using words like gives, makes again and again. While I'm writing, I cannot get opinion. I'm just writing meaning of that word. How to get opinion? Give me some examples. Very broad. Action oriented. Keep the SRTs, sorry, WAT is action oriented. For example, right? There's no example, but doing this leads to this. Doing this increases this. And fine. Eating healthy makes a person fit. That's okay. ठीक है. Gives and makes. चलेगा. Observational sentences hai, I think. Right, Selva Kumar. Next question. Is there any restriction that we cannot write our own? Asking for blank picture. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. There's no restriction. There's no restriction. How do I know that I have made a good story? How to make sure that in that? My bro, definitely then consider the course because I cannot tell you in what way you can evaluate whether you've written a good story or not if you don't know already, right? Because there is a gut instinct that we get that okay, this is a well-written story, right, which has a brief background, then what's happening and what is the likely outcome. Okay, that would be a good story. Sir, are you familiar with SSC IT entry? Are there any questions from the subject of IT or computer science? Technical, they do ask people technical questions. Okay, so naval boards, they will ask you technical questions. And in that, we have to correlate the picture with our PIQ or as we can write whatever. In that, you have to correlate the story with the picture. You understand? PIQ वाला चीज भी है ना वो that also comes, but what's more important is correlating it with the picture, right guys? चलिए, so now सर अगर नेहा मैम ने कहा है कि स्टोरी अच्छी है या सही है तो पत्थर की लकीर मानू ना. सब्जेक्टिविटी होती है थोड़ी बट हाँ चलेगा. ठीक है. हाँ बिल्कुल. पत्थर की लकीर तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. आई वोंट यूज सच स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड्स. फाइन, इवन फॉर माई सेल्फ, राइट. डोंट I am sure 80-90% of the time, but get conference round in SSB. Can't say, bro, on what regard you're getting conference round. Okay, but don't take anyone's advice like with 100% seriousness. Okay, because in the SSB for the 5 days, you are the person who will be present. Fine, you have your mental faculties and you'll have to evaluate everything on your own. Focus more on that. Fine. If I'm unable to complete that, is it better to leave the words or complete it with force? Indicate a meaning not known. लिख के छोड़ दो. Meaning not known. Finish. ठीक है. चलिए सो ऑन दैट नोट आज की क्लास हम यहीं पे रैप अप करते हैं. राइट. आई विल सी यू गाइस टुमारो विद मोर डाउट्स, मोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ठीक है. होपफुली. एंड one more thing, our new batch is starting from the 1st of October. So if you enjoyed the session today, fine. There's something like this each and every day that you'll learn, fine, throughout the 15 days. So definitely do consider uh, subscribing if your SSB is upcoming, right? And देखो यार, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, इंडस्ट्री में हमारे से बेटर साइक और इंटरव्यू नहीं केटर कर रहे हैं लोग विद पर्सनल अटेंशन. लेट मी टेल यू दिस, है ना. लेट मी टेल यू दिस. फाइन. nobody is doing it at the level we're doing it. Fine. So definitely take it into consideration. We can manage something. We can manage. ठीक है. 11th अक्टूबर को है ना, लास्ट बैच में भी हमने ऐसे एक बंदा लिया था. ठीक है. सो उसका SSB बैच खत्म होने से पहले था. ठीक है. सो एक्चुअली आई विल टेल यू, फर्स्ट वीक इज वेयर वी डू द मेजर हैवी लिफ्टिंग. फाइन. फर्स्ट वीक में हम मेजर हैवी लिफ्टिंग करा देते हैं. ठीक है. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन एंड दिस एंड दैट एवरीथिंग. फाइन. फॉर द नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ डेज उसके बाद आप इंट्रोस्पेक्शन वगैरह अच्छे से कर लो, आप कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ लो. उसके बाद एग्जीक्यूशन और रिव्यू ही बचता है बस. ठीक है. तो वो जल्दी थोड़ा सा करा सकते हैं अपन. ठीक है. थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन देके वी कैन गेट इट डन बिफोर टाइम. Okay, so don't you worry. Batch fee, batch fee we have for psych it is 3,000, for interview it is 3,000. Both are for 15 days. All right. psych में अलग चीजें कवर हो रही हैं, इंटरव्यू में अलग चीजें कवर हो रही हैं. फाइन. इंटरव्यू स्पेसिफिक मैं बताता हूँ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीजें जो और कहीं पे नहीं मिलेंगी. फाइन. which is OLQ discussions. We have OLQ discussions for very thorough discussion. And let me tell you, these are the fundamentals of the entire selection procedure. इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ, whosoever comes to me, not only psych batch, but you also go for the interview batch. Even if you cannot attend the classes live, even if you watch recordings, the discussions would be sufficient. Right? You understand? Because I sometimes have to work with working aspirants. है ना? Yes. You're saying something? Someone is saying something? ठीक है. Both are for 3,000 each. Fine. And if you go for the combo course, if you enroll for pay the fee for both the batches at the same time, we give a 500 off. Right? So 5,500 for both the batches combined. Okay. MSI batch we have starting on 3rd of October. Fine. 7 days. Action packed. Classes. Fee is rupees 1,000. Fine. And yeah, so I mean, it covers everything related to screening along with a comprehensive strategy. ठीक है. You will understand what is the expectation of each and every test. आप समझ रहे हो? सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करना भी हम सिखा रहे हैं. ठीक है. There is a way to self introspect, to be honest, right? And through experience, I know, like, one of the things that I did, which gave me, I had a lot of time at my hands, right? 5 years, to be honest, right? Before NDA वाले उसमें मैंने एक बार मॉक इंटरव्यू दिया था. ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर I could not go for the SSB. Thereafter, I have my degree. I had my 5 years of my degree to introspect myself on. ठीक है. That is what so I undertook that journey. I've discussed with n number of students, people who have been successful. Okay, so there is a set method of doing it. Fine. So that is what we try to teach, right? So yeah guys, so that's that. You can contact us, है ना, and I'll see you guys soon enough, hopefully. ठीक है? So 1st of October we're starting, right? You can drop a message.